There's something about eating with your hands that just makes everything taste better. And today we're gonna do just that. We're gonna make my best ever beef burgers. Spoiler alert, they're smashed. They're so tasty and they're a real crowd pleaser. But first we're gonna make the onions because burgers just aren't the same without them. Get yourself a medium fry pan, pop it over a medium to high heat. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter and my onions that have been already sliced, and then just add a little bit of salt. What we're looking for here is sweet, golden, beautifully caramelized onions, and it doesn't take too long. And now, time to make the sauce. This sauce is the difference between a good burger and an unbelievable burger, so pay attention. What I do is get a medium-sized bowl, and then to that, I add mayonnaise, some tomato sauce, some pickles, and a little of the pickle juice, mustard, Dijon, and kimchi. That's right, chopped kimchi. And then you just go ahead and mix it up. And this sauce, my friends, is an absolute winner. All right, let's check on the onions. Just give them another little stir around. You can see we're catching a little color on them already. Once they start to color, you then turn them down. We'll let them go for about another 15. And that is pretty close to what we're looking for. Time to toast our buns. Now, I know it's a small detail, but I love toasting my buns for a couple of reasons. Yes, you get a little bit crispiness, but I love it because it actually will allow you to absorb a little bit more of the juice of the burger. Just always keep your eye on those onions. Look at those, they're getting beautiful and golden brown. So, time for the smashed beef patties. My preference is actually to get a couple of pieces of baking paper like this. First we need to form the patty so you can pick it up and actually squash it down into a ball. Get yourself another piece of baking paper and then just get a baking tray like this and literally squash it down. Now, I know lots of people will put all sorts of stuff inside the meat. I don't. I just keep it very, very simple. You can see how thin I've actually gone here. It's really quite thin, which means it's gonna cook really quickly. It's gonna get beautifully caramelized all over and just give you a wonderful, wonderful flavor. All right, so we have our buns. So this is what I was talking about. Listen to this. That's exactly what you want. The most important rule when you're doing a smash burger is that you have a red hot grill pan. That red hot grill pan is gonna cook this really quickly. And you need it to cook quickly because the thinner it is, the faster you have to cook it. Season it before you put it on the grill pan. Pick the whole thing up and you're gonna slap it right on down. You ready? And watch it go. You want to make sure you've got a really nice contact with that grill. So just using a spatula, push that down into the surface to make sure you're getting that beautiful sear. You can see as that moisture is really starting to come to the top surface here of your burger, you're getting pretty close to your flip. The best part of all, it only takes a minute or two. Time to flip your patty and top it with cheese. I'm using Gouda, but truly use any cheese you like. I love Swiss cheese as well on a burger. The cheese will start to melt pretty much straight away. Another couple of minutes and you're done. All right, time to build our burger. I get a little bit of that gorgeous sauce. I spread it on both sides of my bun. Top it with a little bit of shredded lettuce, a little tomato. Last, but certainly not least, is your burger with cheese. Next, we're gonna get some of those gorgeous grilled onions. Top it with the other side of your bun. Oh my Lord. You could serve this with a little salad, but I love it with some beautiful chips. That is it, my friends. My best ever beef burger recipe, a great addition to your weeknight repertoire. And if you've got friends or family coming over, double or even triple the recipe to feed the entire crowd. For more of my best ever recipes, head to the Coles YouTube channel or coles.com.au and check out my best ever recipe playlist. But if you don't mind, I'm just gonna go ahead and dig right in. Yum.